And then before we move on, Sylvia asked, if is this what we synthesize, or is this synthesis what we learn in level 4? Can you just talk a minute about the synthesis of the chart that we do in level 4, Karen?
Yeah, so in level 4, you learn to look at a chart through the lens of your client's questions. That's really probably the best way to think about it. And you learn to put the whole picture of the chart together. So level 1, we do type and authority. Level 2, we do the centers and the profiles. Level 3, we do the gates and the channels and the circuits. So we've basically taken the whole puzzle apart. In level 4, we put it all back together and we start to look at, okay, your client's coming to you, they're not usually coming to you just because they want a human design reading. Sometimes they do, but really they're coming to you because they're hurting, right? They want to know what's up with me in relationships, what's up with me in money, what's up with me in God. God doesn't talk to me anymore. What's up with me in, my body. And what we do in level 4 is we start to go, okay, where's the source of pain in the chart? Every chart has built into it what I call a core conundrum. How do we look at the chart, find that core conundrum, see it, and help our clients reinterpret it as the potential for it being a catalyst or a pushing off point for their growth and expansion, and really look at what might be going on that's blocking them from creating the natural alignment with the true story of who they really are.